Is it safe to use a seatbelt extender? Have you ever wondered if using a seatbelt extender is a safe choice? It is a question that many people, especially teenagers, might ask when learning about safe driving practices. Seatbelt extenders are designed to make seatbelts longer for those who may not fit into a standard seatbelt comfortably. However, their safety is not guaranteed for everyone, and it is essential to understand how to use them properly. Seatbelt extenders connect to your existing seatbelt to give you extra length. They are often used by adults who need a bit more room to buckle up safely. Most extenders meet federal safety standards, which means they are made to be durable and safe when used correctly. However, it is vital to remember that these extenders should only be used in specific situations. Using a seatbelt extender correctly is key to ensuring safety. They must be matched to your vehicle and should not be swapped between different car models. If you use an extender that does not fit your car, it can lead to a poor fit, which may reduce the effectiveness of the seatbelt during an accident. For teenagers, it is important to know that seatbelt extenders are not meant for everyone. They should never be used with child car seats or booster seats. If you are a teenager, your seatbelt should fit snugly across your chest and lap without the need for an extender. If you find that you need extra length, it may be a sign that you should consider other options for safety. Pregnant women should also avoid using seatbelt extenders unless absolutely necessary. They can change how the seatbelt fits, which may reduce its effectiveness. The primary safe use of seatbelt extenders is for adults who are larger and cannot buckle up without them. As you learn to drive and own a car, always prioritize the correct use of seatbelts. Make sure everyone in the vehicle is buckled up properly. If you are driving, remind your friends to wear their seatbelts correctly. This is a fundamental part of safe driving and helps protect everyone in the car. In driver's education, understanding seatbelt use is vital. Always focus on ensuring the right fit for your seatbelt. If you ever have questions about seatbelt extenders or seatbelt safety, do not hesitate to ask a trusted adult or your driving instructor. Remember, safety on the road starts with making sure you are buckled up correctly.